Hello friends, welcome back to Money YouTube Tips English. In this video, we are going to see some important settings you must do in the Facebook. In yesterday videos, I have shown you how to protect your photos in the Facebook. Okay, if you don't see it, you can see in the YouTube channel. Okay, today I'm going to tell you some important settings. Now you can open your profile in the Facebook. Okay, I have showed you there are three dot line beside your icon. Okay, click and go to the privacy structure. Okay, you can see here control who sees what you share on the Facebook. One by one I will tell you. If you not yet subscribed my channel, please hit the subscription button. Beside you can see one bell icon. Press it so you can get all the notifications, friends. Now I'm going to show you login alerts. If you get an alert, okay, just press the notifications bell icon. Okay, if you want to get the notifications, if someone will trying to access your Facebook ID, if you want to get the notifications, turn it on. Okay, if you want to get the messenger, choose whether you want to get the messenger type, just on it. If you want to get the notifications in the email, just select the email ID and turn it on and save the notifications. This is the login alert you must to know about it if you are using the Facebook. Okay, I will tell you some other privacy settings, account settings. Okay, help protect your account. Select your security methods. If someone is trying to the Facebook in unknown locations or unauthorized uh, places or computer, the Facebook will automatically send you the text message in the um, registered mobile. Before going to do the settings, read the messages which is displayed below the options. Use text messages SMS to receive the verifications code to protection. Okay, read the terms and conditions before going to set any modifications in the YouTube, in the Facebook. Set up via third party authenticator. Enter the confirmations code if you want to activate these settings in your Facebook profile. I'm not going to set anything in this video, friends. Just I'm showing you how can we perform these settings and how can we make some changes in the Facebook. Okay, you enter the confirmations code. Please use the authentication app. Okay, and follow the instructions very carefully. See the privacy conditions. Check. You can see here, friends. Do you want to search engine outside of the Facebook to link your profile? If you want to allow, just turn it on. If you don't want to allow, please off the setting options. Okay, if you want to disable these options, just read the settings message before going to make any changes in this option, friends. Who can look you are using your phone number? If you want to show your phone number in the public, I have already selected to everyone. If you want to show your phone number to friends, you can select it. Our friends are only me. Okay, I highly recommend you to don't show your mobile number in the public. I have selected only for me. Only I can see my mobile number at the Facebook. Who can look you are using email address? Okay, If you want to show your email address in the public place, just select everyone. If you don't want, you can select only me. Okay, who can see your friend list? Okay, you can select the options as per your convenient, because if you don't change any settings in your profile, that will not be good for you. That is why I have the given the tips and tricks to make some changes in this video, friends. Who can see your story? Okay, select the options. I have given few options as per your convenient requirement. You can select these options, friends. Who can see the people page list you follow? Okay, I have put here public. Okay, who can see your future post? Okay, if you want to change something, you can change it here. So some due to the unexpected here, I'm not going to show some other things. If you want to know further informations about the Facebook settings, you can leave your comments in the comment section. If I know something about your questions, I will get back to you shortly, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. It is the time to say goodbye to you, friends. Thank you.